Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate a resistor's value. So with me here, I have three different types of resistors. They may look the same, but they are totally different. So I'm going to explain how you calculate the value. Like, take a look at this resistor now, and take a look at this. If you look closely, you see the color difference. Those strip, those lines, you see that the color are different. So I'm going to be explaining it today. So normally a resistor is to consist of four different colors in a particular resistor. So one resistor like this, we're going to see four different color strips. Another resistor to four different color strips. So it's those colors that we use to calculate the resistor's value. So first of all, let me explain the color table to you. So in a resistor, we have different colors like black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, then we have gray, white, gold, silver, and we have no color or blank color. So these are the only colors we have in a resistor. So we can take it as a color. Then we have what we call the numbers, and basically numbers, these are the way the colors are being arranged, and the numbers start from 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's not there. So this, they don't have numbers, they don't have tolerance. So we have the multiplier. So the multiplier for black is 1. Then for brown is 10 to power 1. Then for red is 10 to power 2, up to 10 to power 9. So you keep going like that: 10 to power 3, 10 to power 4, 10 to power 5, 10 to power 6, 10 to power 7, 10 to power 8, and 10 to power 9. Then right here we have, from gold, we are going to be having 10 raised to power minus 1, 10 raised to power minus 2. Then no color, we have nothing for it. So that's tolerance. So the tolerance, we are going to be having no for all these colors until we get to gold, where we have 5% tolerance, 10% tolerance, and 20% tolerance. So why we don't have anything is because of most of these resistors, all the resistors, a resistor is either going to have gold, silver, or no color. So at the last color of the resistor is going to have either gold, silver, or no color. So you can't have any other color apart from gold, silver, or no color. So let's take, for example, we have a resistor. Let me just draw a simple resistor. So let's say this is our resistor. So it's always divided into 4 segments. So we have 1, 2, 3. So these 4 segments are 4 different colors. We can have black, then we have green, then we have red, then we have silver. So they're always 4 different colors. So let's look at this resistor. If we look at it very well, I want to try to bring out the colors. The first color down here is color brown. So let me draw this resistor out for proper understanding. So let me divide it to 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 different segments. So the first color we can see here is color brown. Then the second color we can see here is color black. Then the third color we can see is color red. Then the last color we can see is what? Gold. So you have to really look at it very well. We can see gold. So let me just take another resistor, that different resistors. So let me just show you another one, the color. So here we have red, we have orange, we have black, and then we have gold. So you have to look at it very closely. So now that I've drawn it out, let's try to calculate it. So we have brown, black, red, and we have gold. So let's not forget, our first color is the first digit. Like this is the second digit. And this is our multiplier, while this is our tolerance. So let's just have that in mind. So looking at this table now, I want to bring them out. So for brown, the number is 1. So we can say 1. Then for black, the number is 0. We say 0. Okay? So that's the first 2 digits. Now the multiplier, which is red. So red is 10 to power 2. So we say times 10 raised to power 2. Okay? Then we have the plus or minus tolerance. Plus or minus the tolerance. And tolerance for gold is what? Is 5%. So 5. So now that we've brought that out, so we can just say tolerance and the resistor's value, RV, is equal to this. So to calculate the resistor's value, so we just have 10 times this. So 10 raised to power 2, that is equal to 10 times 100 plus or minus 5%. Then 10 times 100, we have 1000. So basically we have 1000 ohms. So that means this resistor, the value is 1000 ohms. So we still put this plus or minus 5% to indicate the tolerance. So this tolerance is actually not needed except you want to calculate the range. So if you just want to calculate the resistor's value, this is the resistor's value. So you can also convert it. Then that will be 1000 divided by 1000. Times we are converting to kilo ohms. So that is 1 kilo ohms. So that's the resistor's value. See our plus or minus 5% so no tolerance. So now to calculate the range, range of the resistor. So to calculate that now, so we have 1 kilo ohms. So we just put it here, 1 kilo ohms. Okay, then open the bracket. Now this, the 5% that we had, this 5%, we are going to do 5 over 100. That is 5 over, percentage is 100. Close the bracket. Then that is going to give us 1 kilo ohms. Then 5 divided by 100, that's going to be 0.005. 0.005. Close the bracket. So we are going to multiply it. That is 1 times 0.005. Then that's going to be 0.005. So what we'll do is 1 kilo ohms plus or minus 0.05 kilo ohms. So we already have this. So to calculate the range now, we're going to add and subtract. So we're going to do 1 plus 0.05. That is going to give us 1.05. Then 1 minus 0.05. That is going to be 0.95. So kilo ohms. So this is the range. So the range of this resistor is 1.05 kilo ohms to 0.95 kilo ohms. That means this is the minimum and this is the maximum. It can't carry more than this. It can't carry less than this. Yeah, so that's how to calculate the value of the resistor. And the value of this resistor is 1 kilo ohm. So you can also try other resistors to know their value. You can try other resistors to know their value. Okay. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like this video, share it, comment, let me know what you want me to explain next in the comment section, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.